Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm yet again back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Skout account permanently. So for this, first of all, head over to your Skout app on your mobile device and make sure that you're already logged into the particular account that you want to delete permanently. After doing this, head over to the top left corner on your profile icon and there select the option that says settings. Once you select settings, head downwards and tap on deactivate account. Remember that deactivating your account does not make your profile, photos, connections, and chats available to people, and you'll also not be visible to other users. So tap on deactivate. Now they're going to ask you for a certain reason on why you're deactivating your account or what they could have done better. So simply type in a particular reason. So here I'm just going to type in a reason and then tap on deactivate, and you'll be able to see that you've gotten logged out of your account, which means that your account deactivation has already got into process. And then if you want to permanently delete your account, you simply don't have to log into your username and your password, and that is how within a certain period of time your account will get permanently deleted. So this is basically how it works. I hope that with the help of this video you'll be able to delete your own Skout account. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you get notified each time that we come up with a new tutorial video for you guys. Thank you a lot for watching this video. I'll see you around in the next one.